Today we're going to try and figure out the VSC light.
Right, and the check engine light on our SC430. There they go, and they're supposed to go off. The check engine light's on, and then
There it is.
come on. We've been watching a guy named Paul, I think, on YouTube, who's got some solutions for what we're running into. We're going to try the first one, which is not just removing the gas cap. We've done that before, and to see whether or not the gas cap was just loose. It did appear to be. So we're going to clean around it, and then try it again. That was his first recommendation for a check engine light leading to the VSC lights on and off, both being there. So let's try that out.
And then we're going to make sure it's clean.
Yeah, wiping, yeah.
All the way around. This side's clean. It did not touch the ground.
You heard that, guys, right?
It's clean.
This is the person who's so clean and then puts it on the ground and now is going to use it to clean.
Did not touch the ground this side. I don't want to waste. Okay. Honestly, it's not that dirty.
Look at that. That's dirt.
Yeah.
Okay, now you're going to put the gas cap back on. Now you can put this on the floor. Now that goes on the floor. There you go. Until it clicks. All right.
Okay.
And we
Let's
have
see.
no solution whatsoever.
Nope, that did not work.
All right, next step. The next thing that Paul recommended was WD-40 on the O-ring to lubricate that. Let's see if that works. So, try not to get sprayed on myself, in my face. All right. All right, now I'm going to wipe it off. And we're going to put that back on. And see. That helps. Try again, just start her up. Well, it took a little bit longer to get there.
Yeah, a little longer, but
Yeah, all right.
still there. All right.
Part 3 from Paul is what?
We're going to try this. So you're going to push on the VSC off button and hold it down for 5 seconds.
Yep.
And you keep holding down. And then you're going to turn on the car.
Yeah, start the ignition.
While you are still holding down the button for another 15 seconds.
And hopefully,
that will turn off the light.
all right, give it a shot.
Okay.
All right, so you're able to do that with your, okay. It's going to be awkward.
Okay, here we go.
Go for it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn on the car. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm going to let go.
What do we have?
It's still on.
Still on?
Yeah.
All right, let go.
So that's not it.
One more thing.
One more thing. Oh, this is our last resort. Step number 4. If this doesn't work, then we're off to a mechanic. So hopefully this will work for us.
All right, so what are we doing this time?
This time, I'm going to press the same button.
VSC off, yeah, and hold it down.
And hold it down, and then I'm going to start the car.
Yeah, for 10 seconds.
I'm going to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to turn off the car and then count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn it back on.
And just keep holding it down, he said, for about a minute.
Yeah, for about a minute.
If your hand's not getting tired, remember the VSC button is held down the entire time.
Yep, the whole time. You don't take it off.
Yeah. And how are those dummy lights doing? Still on?
They're still on.
Yeah.
So,
Well, let it run for the full minute. I can take a look around. Car needs another wash. We did it the other day, but that doesn't matter. Rain came.
should I take my finger off now? It's not doing anything.
So the lights just showed up out of the blue, like there was no indication. Oh, you took your hand off.
Just now, yeah.
Okay. Well, then you know what? We're done.
Yeah.
All right. What should people do?
Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. Sometimes things don't work out, and that's okay.
They almost never work out for us.
They never work out for us, but you know, it's content, so we'll take it.